My name is Darren Faber. I'm the program coordinator as well as a professor in the Interactive Media Management program at Algonquin College. A new student in our program will learn web design and development, which is the core of our program, videography, video editing, photography, motion graphics, flash animation, as well as project management. Our program, as it's a postgraduate studies program, is geared towards people that have degrees or diplomas and come from a wide variety of different avenues such as marketing, public relations, graphic design. The client projects portion of our program is vital to our students in the program. It allows them to experience what real industry partners would want out of graduates of the program. It showcases that they can deal with the actual projects up front, see a project right from the original idea right to completion, as well as presented in a professional manner at the end of the program.